things you need to know about the first fully electric member of the Mercedes-Benz compact car family, the new EQA. First, a very helpful feature to ease your daily use is navigation with electric intelligence. It calculates the fastest route to your destination, taking into account charging stops and charging times, as well as other factors such as topography and weather. Second, the battery sits in a frame made of extruded profiles. A battery protection shield protects the front of the unit. Strict safety standards apply to the battery and all high-voltage electric components. Third, an integrated feature of Mercedes Me Charge is green charging. You get carbon-neutral charging at 175,000 public charging points throughout Europe, starting in the beginning of 2021. 3 things you need to know about the interior of the new EQA, which offers an attractive mix of elegance, quality, and functionality. First, in the Edition 1, a blue air guide ring frames the air vents in silver shadow. Backlit trim and blue lines accent the air vents and seats. Second, in the EQA Edition 1, the seats have been given a particularly elaborate design. It has perforated leather in Neva Gray using a unique cybercut technology so that the blue backing shines through. Third, the dominant element on the driver's side is a freestanding display unit with two 10.25-inch screens, 26 centimeters. The interior of our new EQA offers electric mobility with unique design, state-of-the-art technologies, and high quality in shape and materials. 3 things you need to know about the comfort of the new EQA. First, even the base model comes standard with LED high-performance headlamps with adaptive high beam assist for clear visibility in any situation. Second, the EQA's MBUX navigation is packed with electric intelligence, providing you with the best routes and showing all charging options, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Third, you can adapt the EQA's ambient lighting in 64 colors to any of your moods and more.